I just washed my hair with that old good old, what's it called again?
I don't know what you washed it with.
That salt. What is it called?
Sulfate free something.
No,
What?
the Shea
Moisture.
moisturizer, and I'm telling you guys, my hair is so rehydrated. It don't even make no sense. It smells so damn good.
She gonna
smell like coconuts. Okay.
It do smell good though, big dog.
I feel like I'm on the island right now. That's why I got my drink in my hand. And my girl about to hook me up. I can't wait.
You so crazy, man. You don't even have to be this crazy. She's so crazy. But what can I say? I'm kind of stuck with her for like another decade or so. And then she can renew her membership.
What?
And then you can renew your membership.
I don't never want to renew. I need the lifetime guaranteed membership. Okay?
Oh, well, your money not long enough to get a lifetime guarantee. It's a membership, honey. You gotta subscribe again. You know.
You know what? I might just.
If
go
you
for the
give me
offer.
another son, then maybe you could subscribe
What?
for the lifetime. I need Christian and
Wait a minute.
Carter or something.
What is she talking
She
about?
gotta have another baby, or she only
Guys,
got one.
what is she talking about right now? I don't even know what she's talking
That's
about.
fine. She wanna be one and done, but that's not how we do this, son.
So how we gonna do it? Like you gonna just take my son? Like what's gonna happen?
I mean, no, I'll come visit. I have to take him.
So what I need another one for?
I don't know. Have another one.
How about you have another one and I have another one, and there we go.
No, you gotta catch up with me first.
Yeah.
You gotta play catch
I
up.
don't think I could even catch up with your ass.
Oh shit. That was rude.
That boat shit has sailed. It's been sailed already, okay?
That was rude. I don't think I can even catch up with you.
I mean, well, I do want to have 4, so I do need 3 more.
To catch up, either.
3 more, and I'm
So
done.
you behind. You need to catch up.
I'm done after 3. 3 more.
You need to catch up, love. Catch up, beloved.
I want 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm good at 4. I'm done at 4.
Just catch up, beloved.
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Catch up, and then you'll be good to go.
But I need us to all have them at the same time, so that way they can play with each other. They can have like somebody to play with.
That's why you gotta do it like immediately when you come back from vacation.
Immediately. Why?
Or make a baby with somebody out there.
Okay. Now this bitch, this girl.
I'm a bitch now. Damn, that's how you feel, son.
I thought I was on one, but she must be on something else.
This your
For her to
first
even
drink
say
and you
something
cutting
like
up already.
I don't know why she would even say something out her mouth like that. That
I'm
don't
letting
even
you
make sense.
know. Cause you know
And who
guys
gonna be the baby
ahead.
daddy? You? Because I don't understand what you just said right now.
No, you don't need a baby dad.
Okay.
You can do this by yourself. We are strong. We
Yeah.
are amazing. We are invincible. We have so much power and strength.
I love the empowerment you giving me right now, but I ain't as strong as you, and I'm gonna just say that for myself. I'm strong. I'm not. And I just gotta say that, clear that up for myself.
You is strong. You strong.
You are a very strong woman, but I don't think I'm as strong as you. And I could get through the storms
just as
and the
strong. You
hurricanes
could get through the
and the
breakthroughs.
tornadoes and
It be breakups and breakdowns for the breakthrough. You'll be alright. You got this, sis. She got it.
I'm listening. All I could
She
do
got
is take
it.
it
She
in.
could do it. But that's fine. She don't have to.
All I could do is take it in. That's all I could do.
You got this, though. You got it, girl. You got it. That's like my song right now.
Well, where the music at?
You got it, girl. You got it. And I'm back and I want it and I want it. I don't know all the words. But I know that
I think I need to rent something from you.
Oh,
Can I rent
boy.
something?
Here we go. Here we go. I'll be back. We'll be back. Help you.
I can.
You can.
I can.
Special.
That's what I'm just such a good friend.
What?
Y'all can't tell me I'm not a good friend. Like, y'all can't tell me I'm not a good friend. That's one thing y'all can't say about Monique. Y'all can say a lot, but y'all can't say she ain't a good friend.
We can talk that shit to the camera because this shit all gonna be edited anyway.
Good.
You didn't. What you saying?
Can nobody tell me I'm not a good motherfucking friend?
You a headache friend, girl.
Really?
You a good friend, but you a headache.
Exactly. That's my thing. I'm a good friend.
But Monique, you a headache.
I'm not a headache, see?
You know you a headache.
I'm not a headache. I'm not.
I love her to death, but she's definitely a headache. Just like these kids that you hear in the background. But this is what I do. It's never a dull moment in this household, and I'm just embracing. Believe it or not, this footage that I have on my iPad is from August of 2019, and I'm just getting around to editing it. As I always mention, like, a lot of stuff that I post on my YouTube channel is old. I always wanted to create me a YouTube channel, and I just would record with the intent. So I'm a procrastinator, but I do get the job done. It's just that it takes a little longer than some because my hands are always full. But I am the Jill of all trades. I am the Omega of it all, and I'm just grateful that I stepped out on faith and accomplished this one goal that I had set out for 2019. With that being said, yes, I love my girlfriend to death. Yes, she is a problem, but she dope as hell. And I just hope that during this time, it's April, what is today? April the 24th. And we are in quarantine time. So I just want everyone to embrace those that we love, cherish those that we love, and appreciate those that we love, because life is too short. And just be great and appreciative for everything in life, good, bad, ugly, and indifferent.
I don't know if that's what it was, just bringing people together. Maybe that's what it is. It's time for healing, and I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay, so boom. So just watching that clip and listening to that little segment, it was like, okay, I had to edit or mute the rest of the conversation and how things went. But healing is always good. Even for her to say, like, she's ready for healing. Like, healing is good. It's just so many levels of life that unfolds. And I'm understanding that the only thing constant in life is change. And if we don't adapt to change, then we're going to always fumble, and, foul out. And that's not necessary for a woman, for a man, for parents. Like, we have to keep things going. So I just feel like when you accept the situation, you have a better chance of being on top of the situation. Making excuses on any situation, complaining, it just takes away the energy that you need to get through whatever it is you need to heal from. I've been through the storm, back again, in the storm again, danced in the rain, jumped over the rain, jumped in the puddles, jumped out the puddles, and I'm still did all that with a smile on my face. So the fact of the matter that everything is manifesting that's taking place in the world today is beyond our control, but what we can do is just stay prayed up, be appreciative for life, and understand that there's a will, there's a way, and God makes no mistakes, and he always had the last say. So even with this worldwide pandemic that we're going through, we will see the other side. We just have to be smart, courageous, strong, and thankful, grateful, and prayed up. Like, we have to pray. Prayer changes.
A young nigga trying to win here again, man. What's up? Yeah, the young nigga trying.
Hello, Peanut head. Hey, little Peanut. Hey, little Peanut.
It's really this long.
Hey, little Peanut.
Zay. I'm the only client with this little ass head. I'm the only client with this little ass head, though.
Like, for real. To be able to do it without it being on your head. You know what I mean?
That shit really ain't moving.
This is how they do.
I don't need no pins neither.
This how they do Julius.
Right. Right. Like, who is this? Who is that?
At the end of the day, I just want to mention that I don't own the rights to any of these music. I don't want no copyright infringements on none of my videos. But at the end of the day, it's like little clips. Like, what am I supposed to do? If I get one in this video, I'm okay with that little snippet of that artist that was just playing or whatever. I don't know if they gonna catch it or not, but I don't want to edit it. Like, I don't know what I should do. But it's gonna be posted. But you can leave me suggestions in my comment section on what I should do in the future. Furthermore, there is an artist that's playing at the end of this video, and I'm not going to edit her out as well, which is Fake Bitch Heroes Rocky. She's from Philadelphia, PA, and I fucks with her hard. Like, I ain't hear some real shit from a real bitch in a real long time, and I rocks with her. Like, really from the ground on up. I watch her flourish, and she a real bitch. So I'm gonna put her name and her Instagram down below, because that's how I found her on Instagram. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it was detailed enough, and I hope y'all enjoy the finished look. My son was recording, so just bear with the process, and it's gonna be great. I hate the way you record right now, so I hope you up on the hair. You can see it. Don't put my ring. Don't put my ring light in it.
And that's the reason why we break up to make up. Fuck you to sleep and I'll be there when you wake up. Don't play games with me, 'cause I ain't playing with you either. Friends said I should dip off, and I'm starting to believe them. You should fuck them and leave them. They said you should fuck them and leave them. Why you wasting my time? Would've been left your dumb ass if you ain't laid a pipe and blow my mind. Can't even look me in my face when you talk, 'cause I know when you lie. Got you rolling up and get way too high, 'cause I need some peace of mind. I need some peace of mind. I need some
all this back and forth with these lame ass bitches you was dealing with. Really on some shit, I'm getting sick of it. And I can have you sick and fuck another nigga quick and have you feeling it. And we was all in love, but now you really on some different shit. Met a new nigga with a bigger dick, and I'm just feeling him and he just feeling me. And we just try to chill, and you just blowing up my phone, keep on calling me, begging and you pleading me to stay, and I just hung up. Playing all these games, you wasn't lame and you just looked up. And then the nigga thinking I won't leave, he got me fucked up.
Turn your head to the right,
I'm
Monique.
in the caddy, I'm with daddy,
Shake it.
Up. And anytime he nut, he get him bucks
Stand
up.
up.
I really not that bitch to play with. Though I know what it is to
Walk
lay
that way up, shake it.
top down with no nigga. And you just out here on that same shit. And you just out here on that same shit. You just out here on that same shit. I'm top down with my new nigga. And you just out here on that same shit.
I left the door unlocked and put your clothes in the front. And I just called my brothers too, so you can play if you want. You missed the pussy on the late night. Fuck until it's daylight. Sounding over right, they had me Gucci when it's date night. The coochie had you goofy, you was tripping on this shit like telling all your friends I was your bitch like. And they was trying to fuck them. Your homie, he was up there. I should've fucked him first, 'cause I ain't even let you hump then. I'm leaving in you mad, so tell your sister like what's up then. 'Cause she was talking crazy, matter of fact, nigga.
If you check out my Insta story on TT Creations page on IG under T Created, you can see more styles as well as more clips of her style.